There are scammers using the YouTube and Facebook advertising system to try and get their hands on your money and or information. We need to stop them. Hey everyone, my name's Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Here you'll find content related to drones and tech, from drone rule videos to some fun live streams. For more, you know what to do. Click subscribe. So Geeksvana viewers have been sending a lot of links to drone and tech products recently that they are concerned could be fake or even scam products. I've reviewed a lot of them, and yes, they do appear to be total scams looking to take your money. Let me know in the comments below if you have spotted any of these types of scam adverts and what they were advertising. Also, if you have any other tips for spotting these dodgy products, share that in the comments to help out your fellow tech purchasers. Clicking on an advert in social media has always been precarious. You never know what you're going to get. It does seem, however, worse for the drone and tech sector. There are so many adverts for drones at the moment which clearly are not the genuine thing. This happens a lot in the ads on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, etc. In drone terms, they usually promise big things from a tiny drone, or they look like they have actually used another company's drone. So effectively rebranding a $30, $50 tiny little drone, putting it in some little plastic box, claiming it does all these absolutely wonderful things, and then selling it to you for $300 or $400 instead. My advice is to check every product independently before you hit that purchase button, and don't necessarily make the purchase just on that first page that it takes you. Go to Google and look for reviews. See if the product itself comes up on the Google shop search at the top as well. Put the brand and the model name in there and see if anybody else apart from that one website is selling it. It doesn't necessarily mean anything. There's lots of companies out there that only sell their brands through their own website, and it could indeed be a smaller company as well. But you'll tend to find that there'll be reviews and other information out there about it. With a lot of these scam products, you'll find that there isn't, or of course, that there are lots of reviews warning you that it's a scam. Check out if they've got a proper website and address with support pages, etc. Make sure there's a contact section with their, as I was saying, their actual postal address and telephone numbers, that type of thing. Again, you might find some legitimate companies that don't want the telephone calls, so they have the support system instead. But having a little bit of a play with the website and making sure that there's some true depth to it will give you an idea of whether or not that company is real or not, frankly. So seek the reviews and discussions independently. Are there forums talking about the drone or tech product? Are there YouTube unboxings and reviews? All this helps to know that it is a genuine product. Are the claims even reasonable? Is it promising huge spec within a tiny drone or piece of tech? Do not part with your hard-earned cash until you're confident the drone and manufacturer are genuine. The sheer number of these adverts still appearing in everyone's feeds shows they must be working and that some people must be buying these things. The more expensive the product, or the more vital each pound or dollar is to you, then make more inquiries. Whenever I spend even a few pounds on a product, I'll check it out a lot to ensure it is as promised. I would also usually try to purchase through a business such as Amazon, who have an excellent returns policy. It's 2 years for anything electrical and tech here in the UK, and offer a great degree of protection to the consumer. Overall, be wary. These scam artists will play on the fact that you are relaxed and watching a social media platform like YouTube or TikTok that you trust. Remember that making one of these adverts doesn't cost a lot, and some of the fairly basic editing skills they use, it's easy to produce a decent looking advert. So next time you see an advert for a drone or tech brand that you don't know, look into it a little bit deeper. If we do not give them our information or even cash, then we'll starve them of the reward that they're looking for. I'll see you next time. Sean out.